Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, as you saw from the title, I'll be showing you some text effects in Canva, and these are really new because I just saw it this morning when I went into Canva. It wasn't there yesterday when I was actually on Canva, and today is actually the 28th of July 2020. So yes, I did not see it yesterday, so it's really new for me. All right, so to get those text effects, guys, you first need to have a text box, and we can get that text box by pressing T on your keyboard, right? And let me just maximize the text box a bit. Right, so right at the top here, guys, you see effects. So let's just go about typing in a word or two here in the text box, and then checking out those effects. So I'm basically gonna check it out with you at the same time too, because I haven't tried it as yet. So I'm going to write text effects, and yeah, text effects. I'm gonna just change the font first. And the size as well, and make a few copies before we head over to the effects, because I want to try as many of them that are there. So that's not big enough. Okay, let me change that to about 250. Great. So now I'm just going to make multiple copies of this by clicking the duplicate button. I'm gonna, let me see, the page probably can only hold 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 more. All right, so 1, 2, 3. So let me add them. Probably can hold more. Let me see. Nope. Well, let's head there and see what's going on. So if you realize, once you're not clicking on the text box, you don't see the effects tab. So click on the text box and then click on effects. Yes, here we go. All right, so we have 8 of them. 7 actually, because the first one is none. So basically, if you clicked none, then no effect will be added to your text. So let's try out the first one, which is shadow. Okay, that's what it looks like. Very good. And here, guys, we can change up some things, right? So you have the offset, the direction of the shadow, so you can make the shadow go more to the right, to the left. You have the blur feature here as well. Really good. You have some transparency going on as well. Wow, and you can change the color at the same time. Really good. So let's just change the color at the same time. Yeah, this is pretty exciting, guys. All right, I'll just make this blue, and that what you're changing is actually the effect. I love that. All right, let me change it to red and see what it looks like. All right, yes, the red can work. Okay, so let's go down to the next effect. I'm gonna check out this one that says lift. Okay, so the lift looks like this, and with the lift, let me see, let's go down. Okay, so for the lift, we can change the intensity of the lift. So if you realize the lower the value it is for the lift, is the less likely you're not seeing anything much, but the higher up you go, the more you see that lift feature. Really nice. So now let's check echo. Wow, so with echo you can change the color for echo, and echo is like repeating the same letter, as you see there, guys. Really nice feature. So there is that, and we can change the color as well. Let me use some red again. All right, let's change it up. Let's do some blue. All right, so that's the echo feature right there. You can change the direction again, so it's similar to the shadow in that you can change the direction. Really nice. And you have the offset feature as well. Really nice. All right, let's go down. Oh my gosh, we only have one more text. I think I'm gonna create another page because I need more of this. Okay, so next I'm gonna look at let's look at glitch. So glitch is like this. And if you're seeing down here, we have more than one color going on here. So it's like a combination of colors, really nice. So let's click on this and see what it looks like. So nothing is happening when I click on this. I don't know why. Oh, okay, hold on. So I click on this one and it looks like that. Then I click on this one and it looks like that. Okay, so you get to choose between the two feature. But I wonder how you change the color in this. Alright guys, if you play around with it and figure that out, then let me know as well. But let me go up to colors and see if that will make a difference. Ooh, did you guys see that? I just clicked on white and then the text is now looking like this. Okay, let's try red, gray, this color, this color, this golden color, yellow color, that color. Yeah, I know I'm just all over with the colors now. All right, how do I get back to what I was in? And let's go back to effects. So we're on glitch. All right, so with the glitch, well then it seems like with the glitch you have these two colors here, or these two choices for glitch down here, and then you can change the direction. You have the offset again. Really nice feature, really nice. Okay, so that's it guys. You have a few others that I didn't get to touch on. We did 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, we did 4 of them, so there are 3 others there. I cannot tell you if this feature is available with the free version of Canva because this is a pro version that I have using here. So if you have the pro version of Canva, then you definitely know that you can go about using the effects feature once it's available in your pro package there, and you would see whether or not it's available because it would be at the top of your page once you're typing in some sort of text. So really nice feature guys. If you do check it out, let me know in the comment section. Let me know if it's already on your version of Canva that you have, and we'll just talk some more about this in the comment section. What do you guys think? Okay, so that's it guys for now. I just had to hop on here and talk about this a bit because this is totally new to me. So I had to come on and say something about it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this video helpful in any way, let me know in the comment section and I'll respond to you guys. So until my next video, I'll talk to you guys then. Goodbye.